Modal verb can. When to use as question. Modal verb can. As question. Ability. Used to ask if someone is able to do something. Can you drive a bus? Can they solve this issue? Can she play the piano well? Can the dog open the gate by itself? Modal verb can. As question. Used to ask for or giving informal permission. Can I take this bottle? Can we leave early today? Can he use this laptop for a while? Can she enter the theater without a ticket? Modal verb can. As question. Possibility. Used to ask whether something is possible. Can it rain today? Can people survive without food for days? Can the machine work without power? Can he really finish it in one day? Modal verb can. As question. Request. Used to politely ask someone to do something. Can you close the window please? Can I borrow a pen for a second? Can he give me a lift to the hospital? Can they help us move the cupboard? Modal verb can. As question. Offer. Used to offer help. Can we help you set up the hall? Can Anna bring the dessert to the table? Can he assist you with your luggage? Can I help you find the solution? Modal verb can. As question. Disbelief, doubt. Used to express surprise, doubt, or disbelief. Can you really be that careless? Can it be that we forgot the passport? Can she lie to us? Can they see the problem now? Modal verb can. Exercise. Comment your own sentence with the modal verb can. Thank you.